This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust your car chair for optimal comfort and safety. First, sit with your hips pushed all the way back into the seat. Next, adjust the seat's forward and backward position. You want to be able to fully depress the brake pedal with your foot while still maintaining a slight bend in your knee. This ensures you have full control and leverage during driving. Now, let's focus on your backrest and headrest. Recline the backrest to an angle of approximately 100 degrees. This allows for good posture without being too upright or too reclined. Make sure your shoulders stay in contact with the seat back. For the headrest, adjust its height so the center of the headrest aligns with the top of your ears, or at least the top of your head. This is crucial for whiplash protection. With your seat and backrest set, it's time for the steering wheel and mirrors. Adjust the steering wheel's height and reach so you can comfortably grip it at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions with a slight bend in your elbows. Maintain at least 10 inches of space between your chest and the steering wheel for airbag safety. Finally, adjust your rear view and side mirrors to minimize blind spots, giving you a clear view of the road. For your final adjustments, engage the lumbar support to fill the natural curve of your lower back, providing crucial support. Double-check that your seatbelt fits snugly across your chest and hips without any slack. This ensures maximum protection. Once everything feels right, take a short test drive. Pay attention to any discomfort or areas that need slight fine-tuning. A properly adjusted seat significantly enhances both safety and driving enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.